Hey guys, hope you're all fine and welcome to another video of all about tech reviews. And in this video we are gonna looking into this Mi 6X, which has recently launched in China and will be launching in India in the name of Mi A2 in the upcoming days. And the base variant could be launched at 17,000 rupees, and for exact price info you can check the description. So without any further delay, let's get into this video. Now, after opening the box, we can see the Type-C to headphone jack converter, which means the phone unfortunately does not have the headphone jack. Instead, it has got the Type-C connector, which is a good point of this device, but the headphone jack is not there. You also get a silicone cover with the device, a charger, a cable, and the phone itself. The new Mi 6S smartphone, which is expected to launch as the Mi A2 with stock Android UI in India, has a familiar design, AI integration in the camera, and Android 8.1 audio-based custom skin. The handset is widely expected to be unveiled as the Mi A2 in the Indian market soon. Now, the Mi 6S or Mi A2 is also the second smartphone by the company to come with pre-installed the Xiaomi AI. Now, the Mi 6S or Mi A2 is launched in three variants, differing with each other in terms of storage and RAM variants. The 4GB RAM variant, 4GB and 64GB storage option could be priced roughly around 16,000, while the 6GB, 64GB can be around 19,000, and the top-end Mi 6X variant with 6GB RAM, 128GB storage could be priced at 21,000. It will go on sale in China starting in April 27. Now, the Xiaomi Mi 6S has a 5.99-inch display with 18:9 aspect ratio and a narrow bezel on the side, and looks quite similar to the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The dual SIM smartphone, now it runs on Android 8.1 Oreo and powered by a octa-core Snapdragon 660. At the back, you will get the 12 plus 20 megapixel camera setup. Battery capacity of this handset is said to be 3010 mAh, which support quick charge 3.2 that allows to go from nil to 50% of charge in just 30 minutes. Now, before we go further, it will just make my day if you could just hit the subscribe button and the like button. As usual, it has got all the necessary sensors including the IR blaster, and this will come in 5 color options such as the red, gold, rose gold, blue and the black. In fact, this smartphone exactly looks like the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and some color options are extra, and the phone has a Type-C port, but the 3.5mm audio jack is just removed. So leaving them, the phone exactly looks like the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So guys, what do you think? Is this phone better than Redmi Note 5 Pro, or Redmi Note 5 Pro is better than this? Do let me know your views regarding this smartphone in the comments down below. So that's all for this video. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share this video to all your friends who want to know about Mi 6S, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.